discuss the important short questions, some terms, definitions, and two important long questions from Unit 3, that is volunteerism. आमे पूर्व 10टी वीडियो रे यूनिट 1 और यूनिट 2 रो किसी शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन इम्पोर्टेंट लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन ऑलरेडी डिस्कशन कर सारीचे जो मैंने देखी ना मोर चैनल मोराल टीचिंग पीएनसी को जाई तो पूर्वर 10टी वीडियो देखिपारे एवं किसी मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन ऑलरेडी वीडियो अपलोड करा जाइछि। आमे आगामी 4टी वीडियो रे यूनिट 3 और यूनिट 4 रो किसी इंपोर्टाट शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन जमीक 1 मार्क 2 मार्क और 5 मार्क विशिष्ट क्वेश्चन डिस्कसन करवा। तेणु आसतु आरंभ करवा आज वीडियोटी यूनिट 3 वॉलंटियरिज्म बा स्वेच्छासेविता उपरे किछि शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस एंड लॉन्ग क्वेश्चंस। Let us discuss first some short questions. First question: who is a volunteer? Answer is a person who does something, especially helping other people willingly and without being forced or paid to do it. Second question: what is volunteerism? Answer is a wide range of activities undertaken through an organization typified by volunteers making free will for the general public good, for which monetary reward is not the principal motivating factor. Volunteering is a voluntary act of an individual or group freely giving time and labor for community service. Then third question: define NGO. NGO means non-governmental organization, an organization that tries to achieve social and political aims but is not controlled by a government. Now let us discuss some important long questions from Unit 3. First question: what is volunteerism? Write the principles of volunteerism. Answer is a wide range of activities undertaken through an organization typified by volunteers making free will for the general public good, for which monetary reward is not the principal motivating factor. जो वॉलंटियरिज्म डेफिनेशन टा जहाँकि आम पूर्व शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन डिस्कशन करते लिखा तापर जीवा प्रिंसिपल ऑफ वॉलंटियरिज्म। Volunteering is a voluntary act of an individual or group freely giving time and labor for community service. बर्तमान आम जानिबा तो प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ वॉलंटियरिज्म एटा लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन पिला आसी पारे जे व्हाट इज वॉलंटियरिज्म राइट द प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ वॉलंटियरिज्म एई भले आसिले आमे वॉलंटियरिज्म कोन सेतरे किछि लिखिबा किछि लाइन लिखिबा 4-5 लाइन तापरे प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ वॉलंटियरिज्म को जिबा। प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ वॉलंटियरिज्म रे आमे पॉइंट वाइज सब प्रिंसिपल रा लिखिबा। तो नाउ द प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ वॉलंटियरिंग आर volunteering benefits the community and the volunteer. Volunteer work is unpaid. Volunteering is always a matter of choice. Volunteering is a legitimate way in which citizens can participate in the activities of their community. Volunteering is a vehicle for individuals or groups to address human, environmental and social needs. Volunteering is an activity performed in the not-for-profit sector only. Volunteering is not a substitute for paid worker. Volunteers do not replace paid workers nor constitute a threat to the job security of paid workers. Volunteering respects the rights, dignity and culture of others. Volunteering promotes human rights and equality. So these are few principles or main principles or principles of volunteering. Next long question: what is volunteerism? Describe the importance of volunteerism. What is volunteerism रे आमे volunteerism जो डेफिनेशन लिखिबा जहाँ आमे पूर्व कहिचे तापर आसीबा बेनिफिट्स और इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ volunteerism. बेनिफिट्स ऑफ volunteerism रे आमे बीट बाय बीट पॉइंट वाइज डिस्कशन करिया।
प्रथम बेनिफिट होउची volunteering connects you to others. One of the better known benefits of volunteering is the impact on the community. Unpaid volunteers are often the glue that holds a community together. Volunteering allows you to connect to your community and make it a better place. Even helping out with the smallest tasks can make a real difference to the lives of the people, animals, and organizations in need. And volunteering is a two-way street. It can benefit you and your family as much as the cause you choose to help. Dedicating your time as a volunteer helps you make new friends, expand your network, and boost your social skills. So, second benefit is volunteering helps you make new friends and contacts. One of the best ways to make new friends and strengthen existing relationships is to commit to a shared activity together. Volunteering is a great way to meet new people, especially if you are new to an area. Volunteering also strengthens your ties to the community and broadens your support network, exposing you to people with common interests, neighborhood resources, and fun and fulfilling activities. Third benefit is volunteering increases your social and relationship skills. While some people are naturally outgoing, others are shy and have a hard time meeting new people. Volunteering gives you the opportunity to practice and develop your social skills since you are meeting regularly with a group of people with common interests. Once you have momentum, it is easier to branch out and make more friends and contacts. Fourth benefit is volunteering as a family. While it might be a challenge to coordinate everyone's schedules, volunteering as a family has many worthwhile benefits. Children watch everything you do. By giving back to the community, you show them firsthand how volunteering makes a difference and how good it feels to help other people and animals and enact change. It's also a valuable way for you to get to know organizations in the community and find resources and activities for your children and family. Fifth benefit, volunteering is good for your mind and body. Volunteering provides many benefits to both mental and physical health. Sixth benefit is volunteering increases self-confidence. Volunteering can provide a healthy boost to your self-confidence, self-esteem, and life satisfaction. You are doing good for others and the community, which provides a natural sense of accomplishment. Your role as a volunteer can also give you a sense of pride and identity. And the better you feel about yourself, the more likely you are to have a positive view of your life and future goals. Seventh benefit is volunteering combats depression. Reducing the risk of depression is another important benefit of volunteering. A key risk factor for depression is social isolation. Volunteering keeps you in regular contact with others and helps you develop a solid support system, which in turn protects you against stress and depression when you are going through challenging times. Working with pets and other animals has also been shown to improve mood and reduce stress and anxiety. Eighth benefit, volunteering helps you stay physically healthy. Volunteering is good for your health at any age, but it is especially beneficial in older adults. Studies have found that those who volunteer have a lower mortality rate than those who don't. Even when considering factors like the health of the participants. Volunteering has also been shown to lessen symptoms of chronic pain and heart diseases. Why should we volunteer? Discuss in brief. Volunteers add to the quality and overall scope of various programmatic services of governments and NGOs involved in social work. They provide enthusiasm, additional resources, genuine interest, and many times specialized skill sets not available otherwise. It is known that volunteers have often supplemented the regular workforce during times of crisis like natural or man made disasters, especially when requirements peak. They often have the capacity to provide services outside the normal purview of government employees. For example, during the current COVID-19 pandemic, we saw many individuals and organizations that worked with affected people providing food, health, care, facilities like transporting them home, emotional support, and funeral services. The world during the first and second waves of the pandemic without these volunteers would be unimaginable. Volunteers and volunteerism will always be an essential to bridging the multitude of divides created by developing society. So, there are several driving forces in volunteering. These are influence of values, culture and tradition, empathy and compassion for fellow humans, animals, and the environment around us, a step towards professional advancement through gaining knowledge, new skills, and experience, gaining social approval, and forming new and rewarding relationships to feel needed, advancing one's career in corporate bodies or engaging in advocacy for a cause, learning to look beyond one's own problems and sometimes as a therapy, ensuring personal growth, gaining self-esteem and leadership qualities, filling the urge to reform civic duties, respect for religious belief and or compulsion. Let us we know some important words, key words from this unit 3 volunteerism. କିଛି important ଶବ୍ଦ ବିଷୟରେ ଜାଣିବା। ପ୍ରଥମେ volunteers. Volunteers କାହାକୁ କହିବା? A person who does something especially helping other people willingly and without being forced or paid to do it. Then volunteerism. Volunteerism is a wide range of activities undertaken of free will for the general public good for which monetary reward is not the principal motivating factor. Then formal volunteering. Voluntary activity undertaken through an organization typified by volunteers making an ongoing or sustained commitment to an organization and contributing their time on a regular basis. Then NGO. NGO is non-governmental organization, an organization that tries to achieve social and political aims but is not controlled by government. Then prevention, the act of stopping something from happening or of stopping someone from doing something. Then Salvation Army, an international Christian organization whose members have ranks and uniforms like an army, hold meetings with music and work to help poor people. Then the Rotary Club. Rotary International is an international service organization which brings together business, professional and community leaders in order to provide service to others, promote integrity and advance goodwill, peace and understanding in the world. It is a non-political and non-religious organization. Then the Lions Club, the International Association of Lions Club, more commonly known as Lions Clubs International, is an international non-political service organization established originally in 1916 in Chicago, Illinois, by Melvin Jones to promote the principles of good government and good citizenship and to take an active interest in the civic, cultural, social and moral welfare of the community. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe.